Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm at the park. So guys, I'm gonna go down the slide.
Yeah, right there. She's a camera. Oh. I have no idea. I want to be one of her.
Whee! Whoa. So guys, I'm gonna go on the swing. I hope you guys don't fall. I'm gonna go on the swing. I'm at the park area. You guys can tell because there's a swing in here. Can you help me swing? Because nothing. Oh. Okay, my sister. First time right. She's punching me. Here. Ow. Woo. Woo. Sissy, can you stop now? Yeah. I'm going to jump off the swing.
You're gonna jump off?
Yeah.
Okay. Go higher.
Okay.
Higher, higher. Higher, higher.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
It's my first time I'm jumping off the swing.
Yay!
To go. So guys, I'm gonna go on the chair so like I can like so I can talk. Is this one? This is cool. It's like an egg. I'm going in a hike. Honey, yes, So we're walking straight ahead, and my parents are walking so slow. So tell them I did. They're slow because they're all the way over there, and we're over there. Look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful, guys. And we're walking by ourselves. What did you just say? So, there's a lot of turns. And walking is like you exercise. Which way? Oh, guys.
Going on a hike.
We're going on a hike. We're going. Hey! Why am I so far away from me? Is this a forest, Sissy? Huh? I'm scared. Guys, we're walking into the forest. Huh?
There's a woman in the woods.
Why is she walking in the woods? Fly, fly away. Guys, we're in the woods. Guys, I'm so scared of the woods. Leave the comments. Are you scared of the woods? Because I'm scared. I'm nervous. And I'm scared. We're almost now in the forest. So guys, in the forest right here might be deers in here. And they're so cute. In my grandma's house, she lives by a forest. And we saw a cute little baby there. And I'm running. Turn that
way. Here. Say no risk, no story.
No risk and no story.
You gotta stay in your ground. Like, I think this is it.
Yeah, that's literally it.
You're going like in a circle. Yeah, it's nice.
Come on.
Okay. Sissy, there's another human. Guys, I'm really, because my brother's really. And I'm gonna show you my parents. My parents over there.
Where are you going?
Ah, there's a squirrel.
Don't scare me like that, dude.
Dad, don't you dare. So guys, really? There's a deer. Make you look. So guys, here's my sister. My sister. That's my sister. And I can't believe it, that's my sister. For you over. And so that. You ain't scare me. I'm a fly away. And so that. Fly away. Okay. And we're moving. I'm so excited where we're gonna live. I'm so excited what house is gonna look like. And we live in a building. Looks so cool. There's a coffee. It looks so good. I like it. We were there. Guys, guess what? I was in kindergarten. Now I'm in first grade. My sister's in high school. That's crazy. My sister's in high school. If she wasn't in high school, it would be crazy. She wasn't in high school, but she's in high school now. And it's funny. I was in high school, guys. I still make videos. And guys, I'm almost there. So I will fly away.
Yummy?
No. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.